Today we are looking at how we can replace the non-return valve within a wheel socket. We must unscrew the 4 screws as shown, then carefully pull off the blue plate. Try not to disturb the plunger and spring out of its location. Clamping ring and cap may fall down. Inside the blue plate, you can see the non-return or umbrella valve. Using long nose pliers, pull the non-return valve as shown to remove. Ensure all the surfaces are clean within the area where the non-return valve will be replaced. Replace with the new non-return valve as shown, ensuring the stem goes through the cartwheel center hole. Pull the stem carefully in this direction until it clicks into place. Ensure the O-ring, cap and clamping ring are in place. Use a small amount of silicone-based grease to hold the clamping ring in place if necessary. With all the parts in place, push the front plate towards the back of the socket and hand tighten the 4 screws.